Hello students, I hope all are fine and are doing your studies properly. Okay, so let's start today with a new topic, organ and organ system in animals. Let's study in detail about organ and organ system in animals. Earthworm, Lambetomorphi, classification, phylum Annelida, class Oligochaeta, order Hepalotoxida, genus Lambeto, species Moridae. So the earthworm is terrestrial invertebrate that upper layer of the moist soil and rich in decaying organic matter. It is a nocturnal and during the day lives in the burrows made by burrowing and swallowing in the soil. Epizyges, that is Greek for up on the earth or surface dwellers, example perionyx and excavates, and the anisex, Greek for outer layer of the earth or found in upper layers of the soil, example Lambetomorphi, Lumbricus terrestrius, and endogenes, Greek for within the earth, so are found in deeper layer of the soil, example Octochetona thorstoni. Lambetomorphi morphology. It is commonly found in Tamil Nadu and long and cylindrical narrow body, bilaterally symmetrical and 82 to 110 millimeter, and what is called metameres. The body of the earthworm encircled by a large number of grooves and divided into number of components compartments is called segments or metameres, and totally 165 to 190 segments. And the second, the peristomium. The mouth is found in the center of the first segment of the body is called peristomium, and the overhanging of the mouth is small flap is called prostomium, and the last segment has the anus is called pygidium, and the 14th to 17th the glandular thickening of the skin called clitellum. This is Lambetomorphi anatomy. So the coelom and hydrostatic skeleton. So the first, the body wall of the earthworm is very moist and thin, soft, skinny, elastic, and consists of the cuticle, epidermis, muscles, and coelomic epithelium. There is a epidermis consists of supporting cells, gland cells, basal cells, and sensory cells. A spacious body cavity is called coelom, and the alimentary canal and the body wall and the coelom contains the coelomic fluid and serves hydrostatic skeleton, in which the coelomycetes known play major role in regeneration, immunity, and the wound healing. So the coelomic fluid earthworm is milky and alkaline. They consist of granulocytes and the amoebocytes and mucocytes and leukocytes. Look at the picture carefully. So the different types of organ system. So what are they? The alimentary canal, the circulatory system, nervous system, reproductive system. So look at the picture very careful. So the surface anatomy, the prostomium and segments, setae and the anus and clitellum. And the second, the alimentary canal, the points for the mouth, pharynx and esophagus, crop, gizzard, intestine, clitellum. This is important for the alimentary canal. And the circulatory system, there is the heart is 5 and the dorsal vessels. Look at the picture carefully, and the ventral vessel and the segmental vessels, and the nervous system and the segmental nerve and the nerve cord, and the fourth one, the nervous system, the anterior seminal. Morphological and anatomical differences. Difference between the Lambetomorphi, metaphor, and Postuma. So the characters, shape and size and color, segmentation, clitellum and the pharynx, esophagus, gizzard, intestine, lateral, pharyngeal nephridia, and the micronephridia, meganephridia, and male genital 4, female genital 4. This is the pharyngeal nephridia in the excretory organ, and the micro means small and the mega means big sense of the excretory organ. That is the important points. This important points for nephridia, micronephridia, meganephridia, and the esophagus, gizzard, intestine, and the color segment, cytellum. These are all important for this. The morphological and anatomical differences. Circulatory system. This is important for Lambeto-Mordi. So the first, the closed type of blood vascular system. It consists of blood vessels, capillaries, and lateral cords. And this, in the anterior part of the body, the dorsal vessel is connected with the ventral vessel by 8 pairs of, or the called lateral cords, lying the 6th to 13th segments. And the vessels run either side of the alimentary canal and pump blood from the dorsal vessel and ventral vessel. So the dorsal vessel receives blood from various organs in the body. The blood glands are present in the anterior segments of the earthworm. They produce blood cells and hemoglobin. They dissolve in the plasma and gives red color to the blood. Look at the picture very carefully. So important key points for earthworm circulatory system, Lambeto-Mordi. So the heart, the 4 pairs, and look at the picture, the dorsal vessel, lateral heart and the lateral esophageal vessel. These are all important for this picture. The 1 to 16th, the segments are present. So the heart, 4 pairs of tubular hearts, and the anterior loops, blood vessels, the dorsal blood vessels and the ventral blood vessels. So the dorsal blood vessels, the body running and the mid dorsally above the alimentary canal from the end of the body and the other. So it has walls and receives the blood from the various parts of the body. And the ventral blood vessels does not have walls. Okay. Earthworm, the female reproductive system, it is important for, so the earthworm Lambeto-Mordi. So the earthworm are hermaphrodite or monoecious. The male and female reproductive organs found in the same individual. The self-fertilization is avoided because the two sex organs mature at different times. So which means the sperm develop earlier. The production of ova, thus the cross fertilization takes place. So now the female reproductive system, the ovaries, the 12th and 13th segments, they produce ova, oviduct, the cocoon through a female genital apparatus, and the spermatheca. So they are present in the pores of spermatheca at the 6th and 7th, 8th and 9th segment. They open to the outside through the spermathecal pores are situated ventrolaterally. There is the segments they store the sperm received from another earthworm during the copulation. So earthworm, male reproductive system, it is important. So the male reproductive system, 2 pairs of testes are present in the 10th and the 11th segment. The test gives rise germ cells or spermatogonia. In the ciliary rostae, 2 pairs of seminal funnels is called ciliary rostae, and the vasa differentia run up to the 18th segment. And the male genital aperture, the genital aperture contains 2 pairs of pineal setae for copulation. And the pair of prostate glands lies in the 18th to 19th segment. The secretion of prostate gland, the spermatozoa into the bundles of spermatospores. This is important point for the male reproductive system. And the prostate, 16th to 21st segment, and the 17th and the 19th segment, the glandular masses, the important glands. Life cycle of earthworm, it is important. A mutual exchange of sperm occurs between the two worms during the mating, and the mature egg cells in nutritive fluid deposited in the cocoons produced, and the gland cells of the clitellum which also collect the partner sperms from the spermatheca, and fertilization occurs within the cocoon which are deposited in the soil. After 2 or 3 weeks, each cocoon produces baby earthworms. So development is direct and no larva is formed during development. This is life cycle of Lambeto-Mordi. your book, page number 54. This is the life cycle. That begins life cycle from fertilized egg. The eggs are held in productive cocoon. The cocoon have incubation period for about 14 to 18 days. The catch release the juvenile. The juvenile undergo changes in non-clitellate and the phase 1. After the about 50 days, which is then develop a clitellum called clitae. At the end of the growth phase, second, the taking 15 to 17 days complete. During the reproductive stage, earthworm copulate. So later shed their cocoon in the soil after 10 days. The life cycle Lambetomorphy takes about 60 days to complete. Okay students, once again I recall. So the Lambetomorphy, the nature present in the Tamil Nadu, and the morphology, anatomy, and the next the circulatory system and the reproductive system. These are all important for this chapter. Okay students, and the important key points I am already said. And homework, now the time, make 10 short question answer and make 10 fill in the blanks. Okay students.